Hello, traders of the world. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where every day I stream live all my trading. I stream my charts and my screen, so you can join me, you can watch me trade, you can interact with me. And you are sincerely invited. The link with the invitation is below in the description. Please join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. Now, as far as the daily recap today on the DAX 30 index, we can clearly see that basically the market was pretty much one directional. It started from a sideways consolidation during the Asian session at the level of previous H4 supply. And then after the opening of the Frankfurt-London session, it just kept going down. More or less midday, it started pulling back a little bit, but not too much, and then started dropping down again on the New York session and Chicago sessions. And by the end of the day, it started coming back exactly at the levels of previous H4 demand levels, right? Yeah. Now, so basically, it looks like the market is still continuing in this pretty wide consolidation. And the range of its consolidation has become a bit more, even wider, because today the market has made 486, almost a little bit over 486 pips from high to low. Well, unfortunately, I wasn't in a good shape today. I mean, I didn't lose, but I actually overworked myself yesterday, so today I'm not feeling very very bright. Let's put it that way. I'm not feeling very bright, and I wasn't feeling very bright, and those two terrible mistakes. However, I was at least wise enough to enter at the 0.1 lot for my first trade, because I don't know, I wasn't actually seeing the market today pretty clearly. I thought that again, I thought that here they would be coming back up, when basically all I had to do was this. And obviously the market wasn't going up, or I could have done something like this. It also was telling me that the market wasn't going up, right? Anyways, so I got my stop loss right there. I turned around at one lot, and I got and I made practically over twice as much as I lost right there. Of course, on a pretty quick movement, then we can see that the market actually started retracing back again. So again, I really shouldn't have been going short right there. I should have been doing this and then waiting for the reaction of the market, and then I would clearly see that it's not going short anymore, right? And then I could have traded some longs right there. Well, you know, I should have done it like this, right? And just traded this price action and traded the long right there. But you know, I had some programming work to do, so I concentrated more on programming. But then again, after the market dropped and bounced off this demand levels, well, then I again I figured out that the market would be going up right there, and I went in long at 0.1 lot. And again, the simple let's say like this, or even like this, this simple measurement, because it was basically right there, right? It was right there, so basically it was still at the this was a practically a resistance level, right? So it was actually a supply level. So basically this was a mistake. Now the next mistake was that I put my stop loss. I didn't even put my stop loss there. I just waited because I figured out that I would be waiting and then waiting for it to turn around. Well, basically, and you see, and at this moment I figured out that no, the market is not going down up, but it's going down. So I turned around at 3 lots, having just hopes for this much. Well, anyways, I managed to recover that loss with a little bit of a surplus. But again, we see that it was a stupid move. Again, it was a stupid move because it could have cost me much more, because this was again the demand level, and it proved to be the demand level for that moment. So again, entering short right there was stupid. I should have been looking for some other opportunities for going long like this. Yeah, for going long like this, and with a measurement something like this. That's where I should have been looking for longs. But so there is nothing much to say. It's just that I shouldn't have been trading at all today because of my condition, where I feel not so bright today. Anyways, the one good thing is that I did some programming today. So anyways, right, so that's all for today. Again, this is one of those days that I simply wish I wouldn't have been trading, even though I did. Oh, sorry. See, I'm yawning because I want to go to sleep now. Anyways, you see, I did make some profit, and you can see that basically today's trading was like this. There was a loss and recovery, over twice as much, a loss and a recovery with a surplus. So yeah, so basically the recovery seems to work, but it's not the idea. So okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Please like, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified about my videos. Also join my Discord server, and if you can, become my patron at patreon.com/Dadas Trading System Workshop. At a minimum of $5 per month will get you the VIP role on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and you'll get access to lots of bonuses. Thanks a lot for today. Please keep healthy, please keep safe, and see you next time. Bye.